Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Auntie.
Please sit down, children. Okay. I'm writing a few sentences on the board, and in these, this is a fill in the blank type of assignment, and in this you have to just fill two words. Either you're filling weather or you're filling in climate. In the blanks you're just filling either weather or climate. So just see these questions and tell me what will you be filling in, weather or climate. Okay. Let me complete writing all the sentences and then we'll see what to enter. Okay, what will you fill in the first sentence? India has dash type of a climate. Yes, what do you say?
Monsoon.
India has monsoon type of climate. You will fill in climate. The dash has suddenly changed. Samyak.
The weather.
The weather has suddenly changed. Next, the dash of a place influences dressing style of the people. Pinju.
Climate.
The climate. Okay. Next, decide. The dash was very pleasant in the morning. Krish.
The weather.
The weather. Okay. Next, and okay. Now the fifth sentence. The countries near the poles. Yes, at the back. The countries near the poles have a cold climate, not weather. Okay. Next. The dash forecast for today is a bright. The dash forecast for today is a bright sunny day. Somebody else at the back. Anyone from the back? Yes? The weather forecast. Fine. Now I give you just 2 minutes, right? Take out your notebooks and write down the difference between weather and climate. See, I have given you these sentences. In some of the sentences you have written climate, in other sentences you have written weather, right? So what is the reason why you have written a climate in a few sentences and weather in other sentences? From these sentences, can you find out the difference between weather and climate? Quickly take out a sheet of paper. Take out a sheet of paper and write down the difference between weather and climate. Quickly. And let me see how many of you are able to find out the difference between weather and climate. These sentences are here on the board. From here, you have yourself decided. In some sentences you have written weather, in other sentences you have mentioned climate. So why did you write? What made you to write climate for a few sentences and weather for other? What is the difference between weather and climate? Quickly do it here only. Start writing the difference between weather and climate, and let me see. I'll just give you 2 minutes to write down the difference. Just from these sentences, just look at these sentences and see why did you write down climate and weather in different sentences. What made you to write down climate for India, then suddenly change, weather suddenly change, the climate of a place influences the dressing style of the people. Why did you not write down weather over here? Why did you enter weather in place of this? Weather is very pleasant. Weather was very pleasant in the morning. Why did you write weather? Why not climate? Thinking on it, write down the differences and we'll discuss it after a minute. Quickly. Tell me the difference between, first difference that you have written, Ilma.
Auntie, climate tells the temperature of a region and weather tells the temperature of a specific time.
Okay, of specific time. What are in terms of a area of the place? When you say a region, what do you mean? A big area or a small area? Right. So when you are talking about climate, you are considering climate. When you are considering climate, One side we'll write down climate, on the other side we'll write down weather. So when we are talking about climate, we take into account a bigger area. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. This area should be how big? How big should be the area? How big area are we talking about? How big? Like for example, a country or a zone or a continent, and you can also say it can be the whole earth. It can be as big as your whole earth. The climate of the earth is changing slowly and slowly. Because of global warming, the climate of the planet is changing. It is becoming hotter. So when you are talking about climate, we are talking about the bigger area. For say, for example, a country, a zone or a continent. Yes, or a continent. Yes, this is what we talk about when we talk about climate. And when we are talking about weather, we are talking about anyone, about a smaller area, right? Like in terms of, when we are saying small area, how small? A city or a place, right? A small place, a city, a district, a village, a colony, right? Not a colony, not so small, but a city has a same type of weather. So when we are talking about weather, we talk about a smaller area, right? For example, a city, town, right, village, district. Yes? Yes? Yes. A village or a district. Fine. Any other difference? Any other difference? Yes, this side. Now this side. Yes. What's your name?
Weather can change at any time.
Weather changes at any time. And climate? Climate doesn't change so often. So the weather changes. It changes frequently. Right? It can change on an hourly basis. From morning to evening, the weather can be changed. Right? Changes quickly. Right? And climate doesn't change for a long period of time. Right? Doesn't quite often. Yes or no?
I want to add something.
Yes? Yes?
Like weather is temporary and climate is like permanent.
Is permanent, right? Weather is temporary. It's a temporary feature, right? Is temporary, is more or less permanent, right? Any other difference that you can make out? Yes, Rohan?
Climate is like the average weather condition of a particular.
It is also average weather condition. It is also average only, no, everything included, right? This doesn't change. This doesn't change for a long period. It changes very frequently. It can even change on an hourly basis, day-to-day basis. Yes or no? But this doesn't change for many years together. So this is generally for a long period. Yes, children? Yes, say it loudly. And this is for a very short period. Fine. So these are the basic differences between weather and climate. Right? They are confusing terms. More or less they are used at the same time. Right? Almost the same. But the major difference is when you talk about weather, it is for a very short period of time. The conditions of weather for a very short period of time for a smaller area. When you are talking about climate, it is for a bigger area, right? More or less the same for a long period of time. It can be 5 years, 10 years, 20 years and so on. The climate doesn't change so often as the weather. Have you understood? So by this description, you have already understood that in this chapter, we are going to talk about weather and climate. We are going to talk about different factors that influence what is weather, what is climate, different factors that influence the weather and climate. Clear? And we'll be discussing each one of these factors in detail. So the chapter that we are doing today is weather and climate. Have you understood? So the headings, we talk about their meanings, we will talk about their differences, right? And then we will be talking about the factors that influence. Are you clear? So what is the meaning of weather and what is the meaning of climate? Can anyone just tell me? Think of it and tell me, what do you mean by this explanation? How will you describe the term weather? Nishan?
Weather can be the
Louder and clearer.
weather can be the short-term condition of a small area, for example, a city or a town.
Short-term conditions of what?
Of temperature,
Of temperature, huh?
and that can change on a short periods.
Right? Frequent, which can have a frequent change, right? And what is climate this side? Nishchal, can you?
Climate is like a permanent temperature of a big region.
Right, climate is summing up of weather conditions for a bigger, longer period of time for a huge area. Right? So when we are talking of weather, climate is a bigger term and weather is a smaller term. Okay? Fine? So this is the difference between weather and climate. Now we are going to talk about factors that influence weather and climate. See, children, in the morning, the weather was very pleasant, right? What is the weather condition now? It's becoming hotter, right? Right? So can you just think about certain factors that influence weather? On what basis? Why does the weather keep on changing? What are the things that influence? What are the factors that influence weather? Number one, what is the most important and most common factor which changes the weather? Yes, sir.
The position of the earth, like how it's...
So position of the earth, how does it influence the weather? What change does it bring about in the weather?
And the temperature.
The temperature, right? So the most important and the most common factors that influence weather. Right? We are talking about factors that influence weather. Right? First thing that he said is the temperature of the place, and that is related to the position of the earth before the sun. Right? So the first factor and the most important, most common factor that affects the weather of a place is its temperature. Any other factor that changes the weather of a place? Air pressure. More than that, any other? Why was it very pleasant in the morning today? Because of the low temperature, the temperature was less, and was there any other factor, Ilma?
Only the position of the sun and the time of the day.
In the morning time of the day, any other factor that influenced?
Because of wind.
Because of the movement of the winds, right? It was a little, the temperature was low, the cool wind was blowing, and that is why it was pleasant. Any other reason which happens to be, yes?
The percentage of water vapor present in
So what do we call that as? Moisture, right? Very good. The amount of water vapor that is present in the atmosphere, that is known as moisture. Any other name for this term? In atmosphere, what do we call this moisture as? We call it as humidity, right? Okay, when does the humidity increase? When does the humidity increase?
When it rains.
It is just before after hot day, the amount of humidity increases, and then when it becomes too much, then it starts raining, right? So another factor that influences the weather is moisture, right? And as he said, lastly, it is air pressure. What is air pressure? Can anyone explain? What is air pressure? Okay, what have you studied about pressure in science? What is pressure? What is pressure? Have you studied about it? It is force of what? When we are talking about air pressure, we are talking about the force of the air. So the force of the air in the atmosphere. You can't confuse yourself with air and atmosphere. The atmosphere contains air. Right, so it is the force of the air where on the surface of the earth, right? That is known as the air pressure. Are you clear? So next class when we will be meeting, we will be talking about these factors one by one. Okay, so the first factor that we'll be discussing will be temperature. For your recapitulation, right? I have prepared this PPT. Let us see what is weather. Weather is the state of temperature. What temperature we are talking about? The temperature of our atmosphere. So you can also talk it up as atmospheric temperature. Weather is the state of temperature, air pressure, winds and humidity. Humidity is a part of precipitation, includes humidity at a given place of time, at that point of time, while it is often confused with the term climate, right? So what is climate? The climate is the common average weather conditions at a particular place over a long period of time, right? So when we are talking about climate, it is the average of temperature, wind, moisture and air pressure, including all this, whatever is the average weather condition. Clear? Weather is affected by these factors, and when we take an average of these factors, right, that is termed for a long period of time, we term it as climate. Okay, the next thing that we discuss, what are the different factors that affect weather and climate? It is number one, atmospheric temperature, that depends on the sun, right? Next thing that we talked about was wind, moisture and atmospheric pressure. These are the four factors which create an overall impact on the weather on a daily basis, right? If we have high temperature, the weather will be hot. If the temperature is low, it will become colder, right? If the winds are blowing, right, it will be decreasing the temperature. So each of these factors affect each other, and that becomes the factors influencing weather and climate of a place. Have you all understood? So this is what we are going to discuss in detail next time onwards. Each of these factors we will be discussing in detail next time onwards. Am I clear? So please note down the questions that you are supposed to do as homework. Okay children, this distinguishing you are going to do in tabular form. You will make two columns. On one side you will write down weather, and on the other side you will write down climate, and then both differences should be related to each other, right? If you are talking of an area on one side, on the other side also you are going to discuss about the area. If you are talking about time on one side, other side also you are going to relate it with time. If you are talking about changes, you are going to write about changes in both the columns, frequent or no changes for a long time. So both sides, it should be related differences when you are writing, right? One difference should be of one thing and the other one of another thing. That should not be like that. They should be related to each other. Am I clear? So this is all for today. We will be discussing about the different factors one by one from the next class onward. Thank you children.